few Physio Yoga Pilates tips for lower back pain. I've had a few people asking me. So these exercises are a little bit about stability as well as flexibility. So the first thing you're going to do is to come down onto your back, have your feet hip width apart, and draw the shoulder blades down the back, the chin tucks under so that the neck is nice and long. Maybe bring your hands to your hips and then just gently tilting the pelvis forward so you're creating space in the lower back, and then gently tucking under. So don't tilt too much forwards if you have any lower back pain that is aggravated by going this direction, but just very gently trying to mobilise the lower back, tucking under, forwards, and backwards. Okay. You can keep going for maybe sort of 10 to 20 repetitions. And then gently try and find a nice point in the middle so that you come to what we call a neutral pelvis. So you should just have enough room for, say, one finger in the small of your back. And you're just gently going to draw up the lower belly. Maybe you can keep your hands on your hips. So you're trying to keep this pelvis really nice and still. And just a little bit of tummy work. We're taking one leg up and then down. So you're keeping the same bend in the knee as it comes up and then down, and you're trying not to let the pelvis tilt forwards, and also keep the bottom rib tucked under. So we're keeping this space between here and here the same the whole way through. So there's a little bit of tummy work, okay? If this is too easy, you can add in a double leg. So you can do down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And then you can swap down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, and so forth. So again, you want to do between 10 and 20 repetitions. So level 1 is just the one leg, up and down. Level 2, 1, 1, down, down. And then if you want to make it even harder, you're doing leg swaps. But again, you're trying not to let this happen in the lower back, trying to keep the stability in the lower back and getting the abdominals, the deep abdominals that kind of support the lower back to work. Up and down. Okay. So you can continue that on in your own time. Right. Next one we'll try is just a leg slide. So again, this neutral pelvis. You can always have a pillow under your head if you want to, it's more comfortable. We're going to just gently slide the heel along the mat and back up again. Again, trying to keep the stability through the pelvis. So we're trying to stop it wobbling around like this. So it's just a nice stretch through the legs. So you're getting a little stretch through the hip flexors too. So just gently, one leg straighten and back. Keeping your breathing nice and open. You can breathe in and out through the nose or the mouth. Okay. Then maybe hugging the knees up into the chest. Take the knees nice and wide so you're sort of bypassing your rib cage here, and then just gently circling around. Taking the knees one direction and then the other, and just gently easing out any tension in the lower back. I then like to take a little bit of a hamstring stretch, so just holding behind one thigh, you can just gently straighten up one leg and down, so you're not pushing too far into it to begin with. It's what we call a dynamic stretch, so it's on the move. So just pushing the heel up and down, again between 5 and 10 on that side, and then moving to the other side, so just gently warming up the backs of the legs. And down, up and down. Lovely. And we'll just take some knee sways, so keeping the pelvis in that neutral position, your arms come out to the side, you're breathing in. Exhale, drop the knees off to one side and your head can look the other way. breathing in, coming back, roll through the pelvis. Exhale, take the head and the knees to the other side. Breathing in to come back. Exhale, take the knees over to the other side, then you